Hello, my friends. I'm Mangal, and I want to welcome you warmly to my spoken English course called Power English. I say this with full confidence, and I want you to feel this in your heart. From the very first lesson, you will realize that this course is different, simple, and truly special for you. This is not a course that confuses you. This is the course that makes English feel natural and easy. Before you start the course, let me explain the structure clearly so you can take full advantage of this journey and make English learning easy and stress-free. This course is divided into three very clear parts, and I want you to imagine it like a smooth road, not a scary exam path. First comes with the beginner level, then the intermediate level, and finally the advanced level. Each level is carefully designed, not randomly created. Everything moves step by step, so your confidence grows naturally, slowly, and strongly. Now, let me explain the beginner level so you really understand how learning happens here. In the beginner level, there are 25 lessons in total. Each lesson has a vocabulary and conversation class where I explain everything slowly, clearly, and in very easy English. Along with that, you get 8 weekly lessons that strengthen your foundation so that you can confidently communicate even with native speakers without fear. After every lesson, you get a conversation practice tool that comes directly from the lesson you just practiced. This practice is not here to judge you or scare you. Even if you get low marks, you can move ahead. But let me tell you honestly what I would do if I were learning English myself. I would not run fast just to finish the course. I would stay, repeat, and practice until I feel confident. If I could not answer the questions, I would not rush forward. I would repeat the same lesson again and again until every word feels familiar to me. My goal would not be to finish fast. My real goal would be to learn English deeply and correctly, and that is exactly what I want for you. You must understand one very important thing. Every lesson can be practiced again and again with no limit. There is no pressure here. Listen to the audio again and again. Read the notes again and again. Practice again and again until you feel strong from inside. This process itself builds confidence in speaking English. When you complete the beginner level in this way, you automatically become ready for the second level. The next level unlocks naturally for you. You follow the same process in intermediate and advanced levels, and slowly you meet a new version of yourself, a person who speaks English confidently and without fear. As a teacher and as a guide, there is nothing bigger for me than seeing my students succeed. I truly pray that this course brings great success into your life, my dear friends. This course has the power to change your English and your confidence if you follow it sincerely. So now, my friend, let us stop betting and start this beautiful, fun journey together. One more important thing I want to tell you clearly in the starting of the course. In this course, you will not need a diary or a pen all the time because this program is completely based on listening and speaking patterns. This is how real language is learned. And if you ever feel confused or have any doubt, always feel free to contact me, ask me. I am here for you. Many students say, Sir, I know English, but I don't have confidence. And I smile because this question matters the most. Think about your own life. When your friend's mobile becomes slow, you confidently say that storage is full. When someone has a chest pain, a mother confidently says it is gas. This confidence comes from clarity and experience. In the same way, confidence in English comes when you know you are speaking correct English. There is no mistake in you. Confidence grows when you repeat correct English again and again. In this course, our goal is to remove doubt completely. We will make your English so clear that you never ask yourself, is this right or is this wrong? Practice is designed in such a way that hesitation slowly disappears automatically. Let me tell you something very special at the beginning. I'm not going to teach you grammar directly because grammar confuses most learners. My goal is not to make you remember rules. My goal is to help you speak. Think of a small child getting down from a school bus and talking to his mother. That child speaks Hindi fluently without thinking about grammar rules. Nobody taught him rules, he learned by listening, using, and living the language. English should be learned the same way. In real life, your boss will never ask you grammar rules. People only want to understand you. Language is a medium, not a subject. This is why grammar is learned naturally in this course while speaking. I also want to remind you one very important truth. English was not created by looking at Hindi, and Hindi was not created by looking at English. Both languages come from different cultures. Comparing them too much only creates confusion. We use Hindi only to make learning easy in the beginning only. Our final goal is that you speak English without translating in your head. By the end of this course, you will feel free while speaking. Now you say you are ready, and I smile again because the batches have already started. If you have tried many times before and failed, try one more time with me. I promise you, this will be the best investment of your life for language learning. Before you go, let me say one last thing from my heart. If you are serious about changing your life and your confidence, then stay with me till the end. Please subscribe to this channel because this channel is not only about English, it is about becoming a stronger, confident, and fearless version of yourself. I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you very much.